Understanding the difference between submitted and purchased in your order forms. In this video, we will discuss the subtle yet very significant difference between submitted and purchased as statuses for your order forms. There is a critical distinction between an order form being submitted and a purchase actually being made. This is useful information because it will help you identify which leads have just filled out the first step and which leads have filled out both steps. Within your system, you can view contact record activity for an individual contact. Navigate to the Contact section and select a contact record. View the right panel under Activity for that contact record. Here you will see an activity log, which includes things like contact creation date, whether they've visited any particular pages, any forms they may have submitted, and more. Form submitted means that at least a portion of the form was submitted, even if it's just the first half of the form, such as their contact information. This does not mean that an actual purchase was made. Purchased means that the entire form was submitted and the actual purchase was made. Another way to check this information of whether a purchase was made or not is by navigating to the particular funnel and the sales section. Here you can review a list of completed purchases. Note that these stats will only show sales from native order forms. It won't show any from ThriveCart forms that may have been submitted using an integration. So keep in mind, there is a significant difference between a form being submitted and form purchased. That's all for now.